Hey, it's Matt. This is the only MCP tutorial you'll ever need. So in this video, in 3 minutes, I'm going to explain what an MCP client is, what an MCP server is, and how it works. And then I'm going to show you how to run an MCP client that connects to servers to do something really cool. By the end of this video, you'll understand everything you need to know about MCP and why it's important for AI. So let's just jump right into it. MCP is like the USB-C port of AI apps. It provides a universal way to connect basically models to data and tools. And an MCP client is just something like Claude. It can be like a CLI or just like really anything that connects to an LLM. And we use the MCP protocol, kind of like a USB-C cable, to connect the client to the server. Now, a server is just like a tool. It's like giving somebody a hammer. We're giving AI a hammer to do something, right? To solve a problem. So we might be saying, hey, I'm going to show you how to use this data so we can ask questions about this data. Or I'm going to show you how to use an API so you can go online and use the API. Maybe it's like summarizing a YouTube video or getting the transcript from a YouTube video. Normally, if you ask Claude to do that, or if you ask GPT to do that, it can't do it unless it has a tool, right? And it could be pretty much anything. And so what we're doing is we're giving our clients a whole bunch of servers that can do cool stuff so that we can get more done with AI. So how can we figure out exactly how this works? I have a template. We're going to use this template. This is running in Replit, so you don't have to install anything. And I've configured this environment to have everything that you need. So we're going to manage our secrets here. You'll notice there's an LLM API key. This is configured for OpenAI. And then I'm going to go to the shell here. And we're just going to run a really simple command from the README. And that command is to fetch a YouTube video, get the contents of that video, and write the summary to a file. Now, normally AI couldn't do something like this, but what we're going to see is that it's going to use the tools that it has available to it to fetch the YouTube transcript based on the video URL, write the file to a file in our directory. And now what we'll see is that we have a summary that lives here. And the reason we were able to get that summary is because we're running an MCP server that has the ability to get YouTube transcripts, and it has the ability to write to the file system. So with this simple configuration and the packages and whatnot that I configured in this environment, we just gave our LLM the ability to go do cool stuff. That's really all you need to know about MCP clients and MCP servers. Again, I'm Matt. Catch you next time. Peace.